I can't do it up at the bottom because I got a fat ass.
Your boy is thick.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I've got a quick little haul today. I've got stuff from Cooba London and Minuit Avoir. So I've never actually ordered from Maniere before. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but I thought I'd give it a go. I came across it like last year, but I just wasn't really feeling it. But then I went on there again this time and they had some nice pieces. Some of it was like quite relatively priced as well, so I thought I'd just give it a go. So the first one I'm going to open is this one from Cooba London. I have ordered from Cooba before, but I had to send it all back. I ordered the casual trouser from them, and I ordered it in a large because I thought that was what would fit me. But they were like quite stretchy materials, like a scuba material, so I had to send them back. And then when I went to change it for a medium size, they ran out of stock. So then I got this smart trouser, which is basically the casual version, different material. I ordered them in a medium and I couldn't even get them past my waist. It literally like came up to here, like it was just really tight. So I had to send them back, unfortunately. But their stuff, the quality and the craftsmanship that goes into their stuff is amazing. It is quite pricey, like the trousers were like £80–90, but you can see why they're charging that much. Everything's made in England, so it's not like made in some sweatshop and then shipped over here, you know. So you are getting like what you pay for sure. So I definitely need to order another pair of them. They just dropped their new line this week, or it'll be like last week when you were watching. So literally as soon as I saw it dropped, I was like, I've got to get my hands on this t-shirt. I saw them, they posted it on their story when they were like designing it and stuff, and I was like, I need to get that. And then it finally dropped. And I got my hands on it. Now it is meant to be oversized, but I don't really generally wear oversized stuff, so they told me I should size down when I message them. That's another good thing, is that if you message them on the Instagram to ask them stuff, they get back to you so quickly. Once I messaged them at like 2 in the morning and they replied to me in about half an hour, so it is really good. Let's try this on. So like I said, it's the oversized t-shirt. I got a small, so normally I'm a medium, and it's like a concert style sort of tee. So it's like this, it has Cooba London, Cooba menswear, I don't even know. I think it's meant to say Cooba the menswear, and then this is the back. It's so sick. Don't know if you can see. The material is really good, it's like really thick. It's so gas. Part of me wishes I did get a medium, just so it was oversized, but I think I'd wear this more. I think if I did get a medium, I'd be like, nah, it's too big. But this is what it looks like. So this was £40, which is like fairly standard for a t-shirt from like a non-high street brand, I would say. See, this is why I kind of wish I got it oversized, so then I could have rolled them sleeves up. It might have looked better. Okay, so on to the last parcel. It's Minuit Avoir. I've never ordered from them before. I have no idea what I ordered. I remember I ordered like a grey suede jacket, but other than that I haven't got a clue, so let's get into it. Okay. Okay, so this is the jacket here. So like I said, I've never ordered from them before, so I don't really know what to expect. Oh shit. Okay, so this is the suede jacket I was on about. Oh, so naughty. It actually kind of goes with this. I'll probably wear it with black or white underneath just to break it up a bit. Oh shit. Okay, I really like this. Except I can't do it up at the bottom because I got a fat ass. Your boy is thick. I don't think it's something you'd really do up anyway. But it's a bit tight on the bottom. Wait, this is sick. It's really nice material. I thought it was going to be really cheap, like tacky, like really badly made, but it's got like decent quality. Like the zips here are really good. They're like solid. It even has the Maniere Avoir like embellished into it, but they're like sturdy zip. They're not like your like, I don't know, like boohoo zips. Even like the bottom, the buttons, they've even got the name written all on as well. Okay, so I just teamed it with that black tee that I was wearing at the beginning of the video, just to break it up, otherwise I thought it was a bit too much grey. And then I've got these ripped Zara jeans, I'm going to link them below. But I'm really liking this. I think it looks quite smart, like I would wear this for drinks, like if I was meeting the boys for drinks I would wear this, if it was just like a casual thing. With like black jeans and some black Vans or like black Chelsea boots or something like that. But then I think you could definitely wear this in the daytime as well, because it is, oh, this was so cheap as well. This was like £35. I've got a black suede jacket from ASOS which was £60 and it does not compare to this. Oh. I thought I was going to end up sending this back because I thought it was going to be quite cheap and just like tacky, but I think I might need to size up because the arms, oi oi, are a bit small, even the length, but it's very tight on it.
It's a bit tight on it, you know what I mean?
So I might have to change this for a large because I think this is a medium. Yeah, this is a medium, so I'm probably going to have to size up. But £35 or like $35.99, cannot complain, cannot complain. Next is a jumper. Let me get the prices up because I can't remember these. This was $9.99 for a jumper. This must have all been from the sales section, but $9.99 for a jumper, like, that's mad. And if the quality's as good as the rest of the stuff, which spoke too soon. It's, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like shiny. It's like a, okay, let's try it on. This is size medium as well, $9.99. It's got like a embellished tag on the back. Oh, it does feel alright, to be fair. It actually doesn't feel too bad. This feels really uncomfortable though. It's like thick, I don't know, like where it's been stitched here, here and here, it's like kind of digs in a bit. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this. This was a medium as well, but it just doesn't really fit nice. Like I said, this is just a bit uncomfortable and it's just, to be fair, the shininess isn't too bad when you're wearing it. I mean, for $9.99 you can't complain, but I think I'll probably send this back. I would have, here it's too baggy as well, like I would have liked it to have been a bit tighter. But it's like, it's too big on the shoulders. This bit big here as well. Oh man, we're starting so well. Okay, next up I've got two shirts. I'm gonna go with, I feel like I'm gonna like this one more than this one, so I'm gonna go with a bad, unless it ends on a good note. This again, I think was $9.99. $9.99. Honestly, like it's very good pricing. I like all the detailing they do, like even on the back of this, they've stitched in Maniere Voir. Is it even Maniere Voir? I don't even know how you say it. Maniere? I don't know. Okay, so I just teamed it with some black jeans and I've got it open. It's quite relaxed here, like it is kind of regular fit. I don't know how I feel about it. I tried tucking it in, but I don't think it's going to look right. I don't know how I feel about this. It is a nice shirt, I just don't know if it's very me. Yeah, like even when it's tucked in I still am not feeling it. I don't think I would really wear this. It's not really my style. The material is quite thin, but and it's got a bit of stretch to it, but it's actually very comfortable. Like it is a nice material, even though it's thin. I wouldn't say that it's like cheap or like poor quality. Like I do think it is good. I just don't think that this is a kind of shirt that I would wear, if I'm honest. It's got like this weird thing. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like this weird button thing there for the top button. So if I undo it, look, if I undo it here, it's a bit weird. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping this. Okay, so last up, this is definitely a winner. This is a black and white checked shirt. It's got a granddad collar, and when I saw it, I knew I was going to like it. Like it was $9.99. This was $9.99. It doesn't fit so well on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. it is a bit stretched, like one bad move and a button could pop, but it's cool. Again, it fits nice, but I do have a feeling I'm going to outgrow this soon. But the material of this is really nice. It feels thick, like it's quite sturdy, but it's not too thick that you're going to like start sweating and getting really hot. It is just like a nice casual day wear. Probably could get away with wearing this. If you're going out in like somewhere like Shoreditch, I would consider wearing this. Like I think you could get away with it. Somewhere where it's more casual. But day wear, this, and I'm going to say it again, black Vans or black Chelsea boots. With either like plain black jeans or like ripped black jeans. You could even wear it unbuttoned with like a white or grey tee underneath. I think that would look quite cool. Overall, I will say Maniere Avoir, 2 thumbs up. I would say it's funny because the stuff that I thought would be the worst, like the ones that I wouldn't like, I like the most. Like that jacket, I really thought it was going to be tacky. Love it. Whereas that shirt, that first shirt and the jumper, I thought they were going to be like, I thought that's just like a standard thing. Like it's not hard to get right, but I don't know, I'm not feeling them. But this shirt and the jacket, I'm very much enjoying. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Out of all the brands, Cooba, you need to check it out. Like if you've got the money to spend on like pieces, because the thing is, these are pieces that you're gonna keep for a long time. It's not stuff that's just seasonal. It is like the essential basics, but with a twist, and it's stuff that you're not gonna find anywhere else. And to be honest, I've spent like £80–90 on a pair of trousers in COS, and they've ripped. Whereas these, the quality of these is a lot more sturdier. Like I think there's a lot more attention to detail. The styling and like the cut of the pieces are just so much more on point. So I'm definitely going to be trying to order more from them. Maniere Avoir, like I think it is a good site. I'm going to definitely be ordering more from them in the future. I think some of their stuff is a bit garish, like a lot of like their slogan stuff, like they've got hoodies with like mad writing all over. Like some of it is a bit out there, and it is for that specific type of Instagrammer, if you know what I mean. Like it's like bordering on like tackiness, but I think they're like more muted pieces. Like this is kind of standard, you know. Like the quality is really good, the fit's really good, the price, £10 for a shirt, man. Like where are you going to find that? Like I'm very impressed. I'm definitely going to be buying more stuff from there. But I do think I'm just going to keep this in the jacket from that order. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. I've got a few more hauls coming. I've got a PR haul. So there will be a bit more of that. I think I will try and incorporate a bit more dentistry as well, because I did get quite good feedback from that, and I have had like a few people message asking like what it's like studying abroad. So I'll probably do like a video just on how it is studying abroad, how I found it, sort of what you need to prepare for, what to take into consideration if you are thinking about studying abroad, stuff like that. So if you have any questions, just message me on Instagram and then I can add them into the video. But that is all for this haul. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do comment and subscribe and like and all that stuff that people beg for. Come on, I'm nearly at 40 subscribers. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.